is ratcheting up the pressure to try to stop the world from celebrating political dissident Liu Xiaobo. Liu won the Nobel Peace Prize earlier this year, and the Nobel Committee says so far nearly 20 countries have declined invitations to the award ceremony this Friday. Some of those countries include Russia, Saudi Arabia, and Iraq. Now, it's not clear as to why these countries have rejected the invitations, but what is clear is that there's a lot of Chinese pressure and that this is the highest number of no-shows for a Nobel ceremony. Liu won the prize for his work as a political democracy rights activist here in China, but the Chinese government considers him a criminal. Liu is currently in prison, and his family has been blocked from collecting the award. In the meantime, China has announced that it's established its own peace prize. The Confucius Prize is going to be awarded this Thursday, one day ahead of the Nobel Prize. The first award is going to Lian Chen, the former Taiwanese vice president, for building bridges between mainland China and Taiwan. We contacted Lian Chen's office, and they said they know who Confucius is, but they don't know anything about the award. Eunice Yoon, CNN, Beijing.